The Redmi Note 16 Pro Plus 5G is expected to be one of Xiaomi's most powerful mid-range smartphones in 2026, combining premium design with strong performance and long battery life. The device is rumored to feature a large 6.83-inch AMOLED display with sharp resolution and smooth visuals, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and everyday multitasking. Performance is expected to be driven by a modern Snapdragon 7 series processor paired with up to 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, ensuring fast app loading and reliable 5G connectivity. Photography will likely be a major highlight, with leaks suggesting a 200MP main camera capable of capturing highly detailed photos and improved low-light shots. To support heavy daily usage, the phone is rumored to include a massive 7,000 to 7,500 mAh battery with fast charging, providing excellent endurance for gaming, social media, and video streaming without frequent charging. In terms of release timing, the Redmi Note 16 Pro Plus 5G is expected to launch globally around 2026, with some reports pointing to releases later in the year, depending on the region.